Okay, what do you want? What can you tell people? You just came out of the Calgary Real Estate Wealth Investment Forum. What can you tell people? What did you like about today? Let's start with that.
Honestly, I just love how it run down very smoothly. It started from like what you need to know, what it is actually, before you guys get down into the legal stuff. So it was almost like you gave me the attention and desire to get into the investment, real estate investment,
Awesome.
and now to find out, okay, I need this legal, I need a broker, I need a home inspector and everything. So I really like your approach because it was like easing into the process slowly instead of dumping the law stuff on me first and then scare me away.
Yeah.
And there's a huge potential in real estate investment in Calgary.
Yeah.
It's something that I wanted to do, but I've put it off because the issue of like tenants.
Yeah.
But getting to know that you guys can also manage the property, I'm like, this is definitely something that
One-stop shop.
Exactly.
And did you ever think of investing in real estate?
Always, because my parents have done it in the past in Africa, and my brother, my youngest brother, is doing it right now. He's building like a apartment building, and I'm the only one being like, I don't know, I want to do it, but not here. But with the sessions today, I felt that I'm empowered to do so.
Nice, man.
So I like that. It was really great session.
What can you tell people that may want to come to something like this and are hesitant, sitting back? Should they come? I mean, the event costs $10 today.
Yeah, which is nothing, which is ridiculous.
We actually didn't want to charge, but we have to charge something so people turn up.
Yeah.
And if you put no charge, then people just put their name down and then they don't come. What can you tell people out there?
I would say that overcome your fear and just come.
Just come.
Right? That is the first and hard step. Whether you know real estate or not, it doesn't really matter. Come.
Yeah.
The information is just like basic. They teach you the process and they just like break it down for you. And if you really want to take your family, whether that is retirement, your own portfolio, your own wealth, I would say this is the journey because it's not just finance. I'm going to surprise you. My background is finance. My background is investment, share, but I'm looking about like how can I diversify that portfolio for my kid, for myself?
Yeah.
And real estate will always be there. So I would say just come and learn and people will help you out. Ask questions. There's no stupid question. If you really want to grow, this is the place.
You felt relaxed at home.
Yes.
And there was no pushy sales or anything like that.
Sales
It's just education.
All education, and all connection. And you know what is funny? You get to learn from people who have made a mistake and not to make that mistake.
Yeah.
Which in reality you should pay for.
Yeah,
To get that personal
exactly.
advice, but you're not paying for it.
Exactly.
So this is just a fantastic event.
Yeah, there you go. Thanks for the testimonial.
Thank you very much, Hassan. Really appreciate it. It's good to see you.
Thank you.
Yeah.